We're back!
We're back!
It's been so long. We took a bit of a break with the wedding and the honeymoon and stuff, so it's been about, what, 5 months? 5 months,
yeah. Look at all these little ornaments that hang off the hat.
It lights up too.
I'm pretty extra too. Like all the Christmas things.
Let's go have some fun.
Yeah. Crazy busy here.
Yeah, it's a little too busy here right now with the Christmas parade, so...
And we decided there was no spot, so we're gonna see it either tomorrow or Monday.
Yeah, rain check on the Christmas parade, heading over to California Adventure.
Yes, I want an ice cream cone.
Cars Land.
Ooh, Cars Land for Christmas.
I know, so festive.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are.
Plan. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
There's no plan.
We don't. When we go to Disneyland, we don't have plans. We just kind of we pivot. We pivot a lot. We were in line to get some queso fundito, and then Pluto was there, so we did Pluto, then fundito.
I'm just eating.
It's so good. They give you not enough chips to finish the queso. So.
He's just kidding.
We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the go.
We're gonna go see our favorite show, Mickey's Magical Map. Got all of our Christmas blinking lights on.
We got by falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round.
I always do the same expression every time.
We got our free chocolate from Ghirardelli, and now it's time to go get some dinner. What should we go get?
I thought we said Mexican.
Okay.
He's acting like we don't know. We're getting Mexican.
Let's go get Mexican. With the chocolate plop. Kara with the plop. We're doing an animation class now, and I'm terrible at them. How bad am I? Be nice.
Pretty bad.
Falling just like these snowflakes falling for you.
Well, it's getting late, and we have been up since like 4 in the morning and traveling, and it's been such a fun day.
We're gonna hit the parks first thing in the morning.
So check out the second day vlog